In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Samsung A14 to a laptop or a PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up your Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone and properly connect it to a laptop or PC. This will allow you to transfer files, documents, manage your apps, manage all of your images, files, and so on. And all that you have to do is establish a physical connection. You can connect it wirelessly. However, this process will usually involve third-party software. For this video, I'm going to showcase what I believe is the simplest method, and all you need is a USB cable. Usually, the one that you use to charge will work for this function as well. So just take it apart from the power brick, and you will be able to use the cable. So one end, usually the USB-C end, goes into the smartphone. So you plug this end into the A14's charging port, and then the other end goes into your laptop or PC. So this will usually be USB-A, which is this bigger USB standard, and most laptops or PCs will have plenty of ports available for you to connect them into, or you might have a USB-C to USB-C cable. Regardless of which option you have, just make sure that you plug one end of the cable into the A14 like this, and then the other one into the laptop. Usually you will have plenty of ports on the side, just choose any of them. Now, if you see a notification like this on the A14, make sure that you choose the appropriate option: transferring media files, transferring images, connecting media devices, or charging. Usually, if you want to manage the files and make a backup or transfer them, you have to select one of these two options here. I recommend transferring images if you just want to do that, or media files should also work. And now, if you go to the File Explorer on your PC, you will be able to find everything available on the device's storage. You can copy it, manage it, delete it, and do whatever you wish. As long as you are using a high-quality cable and one end was plugged into the A14 and the other one into the laptop or PC, you are good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Samsung A14 to laptop or PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.